Instead of microwave popcorn made with that weird heart-clogging, fire retardant wax or whatever chemicals they put in there, here's how to easily make healthy popcorn from scratch. First, take a 3-quart pot like this and put 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil in it. Next, take 1/3 cup of Orville Redenbacker popcorn and put them in the pot. And now shake the pot so it evenly covers the bottom and put the lid on. Now you put the stove at medium heat. You want to use the Redenbacher kind because it'll pop almost every kernel, unlike the generic kind. You want to use extra light olive oil because the virgin kind doesn't handle high temperatures as well and it might burn your popcorn. You could use an air popper instead, but the salt doesn't stick to the popcorn as well. So a solution would be to spray a salt brine on it as it comes out, but it's not as good as what you get here. As soon as about 6 pops have happened, you want to turn it to low heat so that the popcorn temperature doesn't get too much over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're a nerd, this is a good excuse to buy an infrared thermometer. You don't actually have to shake the pot while it's popping. You need to use this Aero Home Products bowl, item number 186. They sell this particular bowl at Walmart for under $2, and substitutes won't shake properly. When you no longer hear pops for 6 seconds, take the pot off the stove and dump the kernels into the bowl. 1 1,000, 2 1 1,000, 2 1 1,000, 3 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000. Forget to turn your stove off. Shake about 3/4 teaspoon of salt on the popcorn. This should be about 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're having guests, use this unflavored extra fine popcorn salt. Good!